very good evening to my fellow Toastmasters and all you dear friends. How are we doing? Can we have a round of applause, people? Such good people we are here at Toastmasters, right? I ask you to clap, you start clapping without any reason. I'll ask you to laugh and I'll ensure you guys laugh, okay? Today, I'll tell you a story. The story of a naive little kid. The kid being me, aka Nishant Ajit Saria. Growing up, I was a curious case. My mom was also worried about me as to how her son would turn up, whether he'll become a Shah Rukh or whether he'll go on to become a Tushar Kapoor. And I was like, Mom, let's be practical. Have you seen that? At the max you can hope is for height, and that I have got in abundance. So, growing up, one day, my mom decided to get an astrologer, the local family pundit, right? We have always seen the weird little guy, always wearing thick little glasses, and tries to claim he knows more in your life than you yourself. So I was a curious case. I was like, Panditji. And then began the game of astrology. He predicted through his thick looking glasses, and we, with all the curiosity in my head, Panditji. Son, yes Panditji. Your travel lines are interesting. In my mind. You travel a lot. And I go, Bangkok! That's now, not then. Till date, I'm trying to catch that bugger to take with me to Moran daily, 9 to 6, 7 days a week. Yes, I'm traveling, if it counts. But I was a naive little kid. I believed. Up come his second prediction. Son, me with all the curiosity. You will have a interesting love life. And my mind goes, tining, nining, nining, tining, nining, nining. Stay with me. You would have a interesting love life. You will have 2 affairs. My mind goes, full swing, tining, nining, 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 nining. But the catch isn't over. Then he says, you'll eventually marry a 3rd one. I mean, how do I put this? My mom, after a lot of struggle, finally managed to get me a girl through arranged means. She said yes to me. Irony of my life, I can't say. But I was a naive little kid. I believed. Up come his 3rd prediction. Me, again, the curious case. Panditji. Son, yes Panditji, you will not study much. You will not have much higher degrees. Whatever hope of childhood was remained in my life got vanished from that day. Worst nightmare for a mom. Her eyes literally went from big to bigger, literally popping out. I could catch one. At that time I didn't know the meaning of suing, but my emotions very well did. Definitely would have sued that guy, sued that pandit. But I was a naive little kid. I believed. Fast forward 4 years of my life. Now I'm studying in a great college. Found a great friend, Aditya Veer Singh. Again, he also wanted to play the game. Astrologer, astrology. And I was the curious case. Up come my hand again. He was like, boss, you have a lot of money. You see the mark here? You see the mark here? If it comes under your feast, it means you'll get a lot of money. Lot of money, man. And in my mind, I'm gonna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. Fact check. I came here today because Mr. President told me that we would get free lunch. And if you participate, your membership fees is also exempted. Irony of my life, but no lunch. I believed. So I was a naive little kid. Fast forward 4 years of my life. Now I'm in a company, a great company, Maruti Suzuki Private Limited, working in it, celebrating the AGM party night with my manager after 4 pegs. He comes to me, sir, astrology? I'm like, yes, let's play it. So once more we went. He's like, sir, you will go very high, sir. One more for him, fast. Sir, you will become the GM of the company. Sir, you will be the Kinchi Ayukawa of the company. 2 more pegs for him. Fast forward 2 months, I put my papers down. I resigned from the company. So the naive little kid believed. He believed in himself. He believed that no matter what an astrologer or astrology says, you can achieve it. Because a man is a creator of his own destiny. The kid believed, and so he's standing here today in front of all you lovely people and giving this speech. Thank you, everyone. Over to you, contestant.